How to use conversation view in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook welcome page, and then from here, let me go ahead and sign in to my account. So I can just click sign in right here. Then from here, we are redirected to the sign in page, and then since my account is already saved in the browser, I can just click this. And then we are now here in my Outlook account. So if you want to use the conversation view, you can just go right here to view, and then go to messages, and then go to conversations, and then you can see some different settings right here. So you can see that it already says right here that the setting groups the messages by conversation. So what does that mean? So for example, if you have like an email or like a conversation with a specific email, so for example, you are talking with that person continuously, and then you have many emails with each other, what you can do is that you can group the messages by conversation. So in that way, you will see all of the messages all in one place. So you can also see like the arrow button right here, and then you can see all of the emails that you received from that specific email or from that person. And then that is how you can use the conversation view right here, so that you don't need to navigate all of your different emails right here just to find all of the previous messages with that specific person. So for example, if I remove the setting for this, like for example, if I say do not group messages, so what will happen is that, as you can see, the email right here is not grouped by conversation. So it just has this one email right here. So we don't see all of the previous emails anymore. So we can just go back right here to messages, go to conversations, and then click group messages by conversation, so that we have the conversation view right here. And then once you have that, you can also change the settings right here. Like you can go right here to reading pane. And then what you can do is that you can show all messages from the selected conversation, or you can also just show the selected message. So as you can see, if I show the messages by the selected conversation, I just have this single email right here. I don't have the previous emails anymore. So I can just still view the other emails right here if I want. But if I go back and then click show emails or show all messages from selected conversation, so you can see all of the previous emails right here. And then what you can also do is that you can also change the order of the messages, so that you can have the newest message on top or the newest message on the bottom. So if I put it on the top, so you can see that the newest message is right here, which is April 13, and then you have the older messages right here, which is April 12. But if I change it back again, now the newest email is now at the bottom. So you can see April 13, and then this one is April 12. And then that is basically it. So if you are using like the classic version of Outlook, so you just have the same settings right here. You can go to view, and then you can click show as conversations. So that way you can choose if you want to arrange the conversations by the folder only or all mailboxes. So I can just choose all mailboxes, so that they will be applied to all of my inbox right here. And then you can see right here, it has the similar look right here by grouping the conversations. And then you can also have some conversation settings right here, like if you want to use the classic indented view or always expand the selected conversation, and then if you want to show the senders above the subject, and then show messages from other folders. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can use the conversation view in Outlook. I hope you learn how to use them, and thank you for watching.